What's up guys? Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. HMD is launching the HMD Pulse Pro. Now opening the box. Now go to specifications and features of this amazing phone. This is a 4G phone, not a 5G, and phone will be run on Android 14 operating system. There are documents, USB Type-C, but charging adapter is not with the box. The new smartphone has got a 6.65 inches screen size, which is a big screen display with an IPS LCD touch screen. And this phone going to have a full HD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 265 ppi, and also there is a 90 Hz refresh rate. The HMD Pulse Pro is packed with 4, 6 and 8 GB of RAM, which is a powerful RAM used in this smartphone. So you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. The smartphone has got 128 GB of storage, which means that the capacity of your data is more than enough. HMD Pulse Pro has got a dual camera setup at the back. The main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and second is 2 megapixel depth. The front camera will be 50 megapixel to make taking selfies more easy and attractive with this new phone. The side mounted sensor will allow the phone to protect its data by only allowing the authorized person. The smartphone will be powered by one of the latest chipsets available for smartphones in the market. That is Unisoc T606 12 nanometer, and phone has got an 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. The HMD Pulse Pro will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery, which is a big battery. The phone will give you more than 1 day of battery backup. There are 3 colors with this smartphone: black ocean, glacier green and twilight purple. The price will be 189 United States dollars. That's all for now and thanks for watching.